You want to become a virtual assistant and work from home? Stay until the end of this video and like and follow us for more. We have here a question from Isababe. At yung tanong niya ay, need daw ba na magaling mag-English? Actually, hindi naman kailangan ng super fluent ka sa pag-i-English. Dati rin, akala ko kailangan super fluent mo, super galing mo, mabilis kang magsalita ng English. Pero once na nandito ka na sa pagiging virtual assistant, okay lang naman kahit hindi sobrang galing. Basta, yung English natin ay conversational. Yung tipong kaya mong makipag-usap ng English at basta naiintindihan on both ends. Being a virtual assistant, we have international clients and kailangan talaga nating makipag-usap on or converse in English. Sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. Pero ako, I'm a strong believer that practice makes progress. So, dapat i-practice lang natin daily, kahit yung mga few sentences lang. And if you want to improve more on your speaking skills, especially sa English part, we have a YouTube channel na Work at Home by Vim Philippines. So, dun sa channel namin na yun, we create videos on different tips on how to become a virtual assistant. Actually, it's a channel for aspiring and also experienced VAs. So I encourage you to search our channel, to like and subscribe. And I hope nasagot ko yung tanong mo, Isababe. So good luck on your journey. You got this.